Hi and welcome back. Welcome if you are new here. For today's cards, I'm using again supplies from my stash, like this Clearly Besotted stamp set, and I had these images all stamped and just waiting to be colored. So I decided to use the squirrel and the bunny and these two flowers and 4 of the leaves. I won't be showing you much of the coloring, so if you have seen any of my previous videos, pretty much I use the same colors and I'll have them on the screen. And added a little bit of R20 inside of the ears and for the cheeks. For this little squirrel, I went with my usual brown combination, and I had a bit of troubles blending because my markers are needing refill. It went a little bit too dark than I wanted to. So here I'm coming in with a lot darker brown marker for the shadow areas so that the tail doesn't look like some giant blob. For the flowers, I chose 2 combinations. First one is light pink, and for the other flower a lot darker, and I did really simple coloring. For my videos I have decided that I won't be showing you much of my coloring, but I will have the color combos on the screen if you are interested. I don't think I can teach you anything when I'm still learning and I don't have that many markers, so for me it's the same combinations all over. And here I'm coloring the centers with the 2 yellow markers, and later I will add few dots with a lot darker color. Once I have the flowers colored, then I decided which critter will sit on which flower, and then I colored the flowers on their ears in corresponding colors, and lastly coloring the leaves. And because I'm using supplies from my stash, I decided to go with this patterned paper. So I chose the green and the light pink, and I have already die cut the pieces, and I will have a light pink and a light green card bases. I used my favorite Scalloped rectangle dies from Create a Smile, and I also have 2 pieces of white cardstock to go inside of each card. And I found this vellum heart from my stash, and I thought that it would be perfect to stamp the sentiment on it and heat emboss it. So off screen I will do that, and I started arranging the elements, and I decided to make stems for these florals. So I just first made some lines with pencil and then went over with a black marker, and then I will color them in green and fussy cut them out. And I went around the edges with a black marker, and it was looking so weird, the whole arrangement. I spent probably half an hour wondering what is wrong, until my husband pointed it out that the leaves should come from the stems, not from under the flowers. So here I will glue everything down flat and have the leaves on the proper places. Off screen I stamped 4 butterflies and covered them just to have something extra, and these are my finished cards. This is the inside. It says hello dear friend, and I couldn't help it, but I had to stamp that little bee inside and the be happy sentiment. This is the stamp set where I got the sentiment from, and from this Lone Phones stamp set I used the butterflies and of course clear wing of Stella. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and I see you soon. Bye!